can't sign in to your Murf AI account. Whether you're seeing an error message or the login page just isn't working, this tutorial will walk you through the most common fixes in 2026 so you can get back into your account. Start by making sure you're entering the correct email address and password. If you originally signed up with Google or another single sign-on option, be sure to use the same login method instead of entering a password manually. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions sent to your email. After creating a new password, return to the login page and try signing in again. Still having trouble? Refresh the page or close and reopen your browser. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try signing in using a different browser or an incognito window. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection is working normally, the issue could be temporary server maintenance or an account-related problem. Waiting a few minutes and trying again can sometimes resolve temporary login issues. If you've tried everything and still can't sign in, visit the Murf AI Help Center or contact their support team. So include details like the error message you're seeing, the email address associated with your account, and the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. And that's how you can troubleshoot the most common Murf AI login issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets you back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.